Hello staff. I'm going to show you briefly how you can start to design your own web page. The first thing you need to do is access our district web page. Alright, once you get to the district web page, I suggest that you go to South. There's two ways to get to South School. You can go right here and go to the welcome page, or you can go right down here to South School. Either way works. So go to South School. Alright, you're on our South School web page. Then come over here and sign in. Do you see that sign in right there? Go ahead and sign in. Your username is the same username as your email account. Then your password, if you've never been here before, your password is 111. I've been here, so I have a different password. Let me log in. Now you'll notice it doesn't say sign in anymore. It has a site manager here in my account. If you've logged in for the first time, you need to go to my account, go to your edit account settings, scroll down, go to change password, get in there and change your password to whatever you want it to be. Alright? But if you've already been in, I just scrolled this out. Let me go back to South School. Let me go back to South School. Go back to South School, Site Manager, My Account. Site Manager means you're in, means you have the ability to do some changes on your own page. Over here we have some quick links. If you've never been here, look at, there's some of Mrs. Kaiser's second graders showing me their Sum Dog field day from last year. See my tweets over here that scroll down over here. But go down to teachers and staff. Everybody's in alphabetical order. Click on your name. Everybody will have their picture, basic information in there. I've got your picture. Everybody has a calendar. I don't have a calendar on my page because my calendar would be the school calendar. But classrooms have different events. So you will have your own events. So, here we are. We're in here. I just got kicked out again, so I'm going to have to re-sign back in. Sometimes it does that. Well, you know, folks, it does. If it kicks you out and it says sign in again, just go ahead, sign back in when you get to your own page. You just need to be there. You need to see Site Manager. Once you're in there, you're on your page, go Site Manager. Click Site Manager, and I'm sorry if you didn't see that. It'll say your last name and home. That is your web page. When you click on that, it gives you your design for your web page. Okay? You can design your web page. There's also the toolbar. These are the two pages I want you to see. The tools, I want you to look at the app manager. That's where you're going to get the different things that you can add to your web page, the different apps, so that you can have different sections. You might want a blog app. I have some blogs that's where you can put comments in every day. You already have a calendar app, and the Flex Editor app, that allows you a lot of flexibility. That's why it's called Flex. You can do a lot of different things with that. Headlines, you'll be able to put things in on your page, updates for parents. Photo Gallery app, I have one of those. You want to put pictures of your classroom in there. Want to do podcasts, upcoming events app. You want to put a class wiki. There are all of those, okay? You can add that. When you click on that, it'll say you don't have this. Click new and play around with that. But to go back to your page, to design your page, okay, to the layout of your page, click on your name. Then come over here to manage your apps and your layout of your page, and click change layout. That's the first thing I want you to do. I particularly have my layout like this. I have a banner, that's where my picture is. It's a Flex Editor app. I have my picture there, my basic information. Then I have two columns, then I have a bottom banner down here. That's how my page is set up. If I wanted to make my page a 3-column page, I could do that, hit apply, and it would change everything to 3 columns. Let me show you. I'll go back here. I'll show you what my page looks like. Let's view my web page. And I don't have everything in. This is the Flex Editor. It's this whole banner here. Okay? My Twitter feed, I've done a welcoming here. And see, I've only got this one. I've only started. I've got inspirational quotes here. Let me go back and show you what the page looks like, the kind of apps I have on there. Here's my Flex Editor with all that basic information at top that everybody has. Then I've got an app underneath it, the Photo Gallery app. I titled it Life Itself. I plan on putting pictures there. Okay, something to make you smile. That's where the hugs are. Something to shout about. I'm going to put headlines. That's a headlines app. I'm going to put things there. I'm going to put book list there. Parenting articles there, and I have a space that I can put other things underneath the banner. These apps are really easy. You just click on it, hold. I went down. Sorry. Let me go back to my page. I clicked on it, but these are really easy to. Oh, I know why, because I got out of this. You got to be in this mode here. They're really easy to move around. You just click and drag if you want to move around. Okay? You just click the apps around and it'll move them around. So, that's it in a nutshell. If you have any questions, email me. I know this went on too long, but play around with this and you say, I'm done. It'll take you back to your basic page. Have some fun.